What if one small act done quietly, and Allah forgave you? Imagine a lonely road. No crowd, no cameras. Just a man walking and something dangerous in his path. A hadith narrated by Hazrat Abu Huraira. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, while a man was on the way, he found a thorny branch of a tree there on the way and removed it. Allah thanked him for that deed and forgave him. No charity box, no applause. Just sincerity. Think about that. Not prayer, not fasting, not wealth. A simple act of mercy done to protect others. And Allah forgave him. This hadith teaches us something life-changing. Allah doesn't only look at big deeds. Allah looks at hearts. That thorn was small, but the intention behind removing it was huge. Now think about that. What if that small act was your moment of forgiveness? Never underestimate a good deed, because the smallest act can open the biggest door to Allah's mercy.